Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about top 8 surprising mental health benefits of gardening and how to start. Feeling stuck or stressed? Getting outside helps, and gardening gives you a reason to do it regularly, with powerful mental health perks. 1. Let go and let grow. Gardening teaches you to accept what you can't control. Weather, pests, and imperfect results remind you to focus on what you can do, and let go of the rest. 2. Embrace the learning curve. Every mistake is a lesson. Gardening promotes a growth mindset where progress matters more than perfection. 3. Build connection. Gardening brings people together and deepens your bond with the earth. You become more aware of seasons, weather, and the food you grow. 4. Be present. Gardening helps you unplug. Simple tasks like weeding or watering quiet the mind and bring focus to the present moment. 5. Move your body naturally. Gardening keeps you active with varied, low-impact movements that improve strength and flexibility. No gym needed. 6. Boost your mood. Green spaces reduce anxiety and increase calm. A garden brings those benefits to your doorstep. 7. Eat better, feel better. Homegrown produce is fresh, healthy, and satisfying. Eating what you grow supports better mental and physical health. 8. Cultivate daily joy. Spending even a few minutes in the garden each day reduces stress and brings a small but steady sense of accomplishment. How to get started. 1. Just start. Try something. Mistakes are part of learning. 2. Keep it simple. Don't plant more than you can handle. A small pot near your door is a great start. 3. Focus on soil. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants. Use compost or other organic matter. 4. Grow what you enjoy. Pick plants you like to eat or look at. 5. Know plant basics. Learn what each plant needs: sun, shade, wet, or dry. 6. Check in daily. A few minutes a day helps you catch problems early and enjoy the process. Gardening grows more than food. It grows peace, presence, and joy. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.